Luna, it's raining. It's raining. Are you excited? It's raining. Oh, you want to play with your ball. You want to play with your ball. Get your ball. Get your ball. Good catch. Good catch. Luna, catch. Luna, catch. Good catch. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Hey Luna, are you having fun? You got a muddy nose. Oh yes, the muddy-nosed Luna makes an appearance. You are definitely going to need a bath now. Luna, do you want a bath? A bath? Wait, where are you going? You don't want a bath? Luna, what are you doing? What are you looking at over there? What are you looking at over there? What is she looking at? Luna, is it gonna rain? She thinks it's gonna rain. Luna, it's your toy. It's your toy. What, Luna? Do you want to play? Let me see it. Luna. Well, Luna, I can't throw it for you if you're over there. Let me see it. Let me see your toy. Luna, I can't throw it for you over there. Let me see it. Are you hungry? Yeah? You're hungry? Let's go get some food. Come on. Luna, sit. Good girl. Hungry? What, Luna? Luna, what would you like to say today? Huh? What do you want to say? Well, go on. What do you want to say? Luna, you can't have a donut. It'll give you an upset tummy. Yeah, it's got too much sugar. Luna, do you want a tortilla chip? Huh? You want a tortilla chip? You look so excited. Here you go, take it nice. Good girl. You're a good girl, even though you bark in the middle of the night for no reason. Yes, you are. You're a good girl. Make a squeak. It's right in your nose. There, you got it. Good girl. Are you looking all majestic, huh? Are you looking all majestic? Like a little tail wagging. Good girl. What would you like to say, Luna? Is that it? Is that all, Luna? Do you want to go take a bath? Do you want to go take a bath? A bath? Yeah? You want a bath? Oh, good girl.